I've got some FabFitFun, including a $50 mystery bundle. So if you want to see what's inside, I know I do, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That's Bandit, and Chloe just got home from school and is taking a nap. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. He really is a sweet guy. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have some add-ons from a previous sale that just came in a couple days ago. And I want to share them with you, but I also have a $50 mystery bundle. The first thing I want to get into is in this box. Now this, they had it in a previous sale, fall box, I think, sale. And I wanted to get it, but I didn't. And when I saw it again, I said, well, I'm definitely going to get it because it is a very unique piece of home decor. And so I'm hoping that's what's in here because it says fragile and it's in a box. And yes, this is by Sin, and I believe these are all handcrafted. And so this is a book stand, so you can use this for your cookbooks so that while you're cooking, you can have it open and standing up, but nicely cradled in here. And I just thought that was so interesting. And when they had the winter box and they had the cookbook in there and they had a wooden one, I was like, oh, now I wish I had gotten that other one because it was so much more interesting than that bland wooden one, which I didn't get because I said, that's the kind of thing you can get anywhere. But this was such a unique piece, and I thought it would look so nice on the countertop with the cookbook in it. And I did get the Brock Your Body cookbook from the winter box, so I thought this would be a great way to display it. All right, so here is what I purchased, and I'm a little confused because these are both conditioners, and I thought I had gotten a shampoo and a conditioner, but these are by Bondi Boost, and these are the thickening therapy conditioners. Unless one of these was part of the mystery bundle, I'm not sure. We'll have to look that up, but I thought I got a shampoo and a conditioner. Next, by Tokyo Milk from the Margot Elena brand. This is the Excess perfume, and it has notes of amber resin, oak moss, blood orange, and patchouli. And I thought I had this, but I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it. So I must have considered purchasing it and never did. Spray's not working so well. It does have more of a musk tone than I normally would like, but that's okay. It will get some use. All right, also from my things that I chose, this is the Sexy Hair Healthy Gloss and Glow Rinse. So it's to give like a nice glossy shine on your hair. I also got 2 sets of these. I already had to break into one because it's been so darn cold, but they're just knee socks. And they're nice under jeans. You know, they don't add extra bulk to the top part. You can just put them on and keep your legs all nice and warm. And then I also got 2 sets of the Mucklux leg warmers, again, in thinking of how to keep my feet warm, but on days where I don't necessarily want the color of a sock showing. So I can, you know, put something that's more sheer or in a, you know, color that I couldn't find. Because I have white and green in this 2-pack, and then I have a couple of pink pairs from previous boxes. So I thought these would be nice if I had a different color sock that I wanted to wear because it was going to show, but I still wanted to keep warm. All right, what's left in this box is pretty pathetic for a $50 mystery bundle, and is why I am less and less entertaining buying their mystery bundles. We have a 3-pack of scrunchies. These are Summer and Rose scrunchies, so value undetermined. They have them in their sale, I can let you know. Next, by Kitsch, we have the creaseless clips. I mean, I do use these, and if it weren't for also getting these and the other things I'm seeing in this box, I'd be like, oh, that's not so bad. But you'll see. I actually think I purchased these. I don't think these are part of the mystery bundle. I will let you know for certain. But these are some think patches, and just to help, it's got Yerba Mate and Lion's Mane, and it's just to help kind of get you more clear. You put them like right on your wrist. This is probably very nice. This is the Maison Louis Marie number 9 body lotion. It has a nice smell, a little perfumey though, I would say. The Dr. Lauren Devegan Hyaluronic Serum. So there that is. I'm sure this is a pricey thing, but it's not something I would have picked out. And then the last item by Sensuals is their Sleep Well. And this is, I'm sure, a very nice line, but I guess my thing is, if somebody showed me these items and said, you could get this box for $50, I would pass. I would 100% pass on that. But that is the risk when you get a mystery bundle. You know, you may or may not be excited about the things, which is why more and more I'm passing on their mystery bundles. I do have the mystery bundle refills, but short of that, because I only pay $19 for them, short of that, I'm not really interested anymore. FabFitFun, your mystery bundles have gone significantly downhill. So this has a hand and body lotion, a pillow and room spray, and probably something, a roller ball that you put on. And again, I'm sure it's nice, but not anything I'm excited about. Like, it's all right, but I feel like this mystery bundle is missing something, like some pizzazz. I also will put up here, if I saved it, because I've been trying to screenshot, because I feel like we're getting cheated. How many items it was supposed to be. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like it was supposed to be 6, so maybe one of these is a part of it. I'm not sure. I will let you know for certain though when I look it up, but not the most exciting. I would say that would be a good $30 mystery bundle. Yeah, I would be okay with that. I would be like, yeah, $30, okay, I can see that, but not $50. And to be honest, I'm sure that one hyaluronic serum is probably very expensive, and that's what's going to bring it up to whatever they proposed value is supposed to be, which I think was in the $300 range. I definitely don't see $300 worth of products there though. Not in my estimation. Now, if that was a Barbara Strum, I would say, yeah, probably the Barbara Strum is $200. But I don't know. I don't know how much those run for. I know it's a pricier brand. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. My favorite item in this box was that stand. It may not be to your liking, but I just think it's interesting and different. What was your favorite item from either the mystery bundle or from my choices? Let me know in the comments down below. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.